This is a presentation on the process of developing an EHR implementation plan. Project management is the discipline of planning, organizing, and managing resources to bring about the successful completion of specific project goals and objectives. The primary focus of project management is on scheduling the sequence of activities that would efficiently accomplish the project goals. In this presentation, the specific project to be completed involves the implementation of an electronic health record for a hospital, a very complicated process. Using Maryland Project Planner, we efficiently established a schedule for completing each of the individual tasks necessary to implement an EHR. The expected start date for this project was February 23, 2009, and the expected end date is January 20, 2010. Therefore, the duration of this entire project is 332 days. Work breakdown structure is the breakdown of work into high-level tasks and subtasks. Breaking work down into these components makes it easier to understand how to proceed with the project and easier to monitor work progress. Breaking work down also allows project managers to identify the necessary sequence of work as well as the duration of activities so that the project can be completed as efficiently as possible. Listed on this slide are the high-level tasks for this project, as well as the expected start and end dates for each task. These tasks include patient information, laboratory, radiology, nutrition and food service, clinical information system, pharmacy, and imaging. After identifying high-level tasks, it is then necessary to identify subtasks under these high-level tasks. This slide lists the subtasks under patient information management, the expected start and end dates, and the activities that chronologically precede each task. Some tasks cannot occur until other tasks have finished. For example, training must occur after configuration. For this reason, configuration of admission, discharge, and transfer is listed as a predecessor to training. The start and finish dates for each of the subtasks are coordinated based on these identified predecessors, as well as the necessary days of work for each activity, which are entered by the project manager. This slide lists the subtasks for laboratory and radiology, as well as the expected start and end dates for each activity. Once again, these expected start and end dates are based on the given planned days of work and the necessary predecessors. Coordination of the 4 subtasks within patient information management is the necessary predecessor for laboratory and radiology tasks, and therefore these tasks cannot begin until April 14th. This slide lists the subtasks for nutrition and food service, the expected start and end dates, and the necessary predecessors. This slide lists the subtasks for clinical information service, the expected start and end dates, and the necessary predecessors. This slide lists the subtasks for pharmacy and imaging, the expected start and end dates, and the necessary predecessors. This slide contains a sample Gantt chart for this project. As you can see, the project begins on February 23rd with patient information management. The red lines illustrate the length of each activity. As you can see, configuration of Enterprise Master Patient Index takes only 3 days. After this task is complete, patient registration can begin, as is indicated by the black arrow pointing from configuration to patient registration. Maryland Project Planner is a wonderful resource for anyone planning a major project. It was relatively easy to follow and learn to use. It is easy to adjust for tasks finished early and/or late. The ability to coordinate tasks based on predecessors is also a valuable time-saving tool. Most importantly, Maryland established an accurate outline of the tasks. This outline will be very effective to any project manager hoping to complete a project as efficiently as possible.